Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm about to prank my sister Desiree. She's gonna get scared out of her wits. And I'm gonna ask her to see if she can spot the little kid going crazy. And, like, that's why it's called Relax the Car Drive. She's gonna get scared. Des! It's going down. Des! Come! Please! Please!
What?
Here, watch this video.
What? What happens?
It's that video.
What video?
It's a relaxing car drive. See if you can spot the little kid that's freaking out in the car. That's why it's called Relaxing Car Drive. You're on video!
That hurt, you know that?
Yeah, so what? Ooh, crazy stuff. Let's watch this video.
Screw you.
So you engineered this man nearly destroying my hotel in the process?
Don't you dare put it on YouTube.
I just have one thing to say to you, young man.
You guys put it on. Close it now, close it.